So guys, today we'll be making colorful popcorn for the kids. I already have my, you can add melted butter or oil, any oil of your choice, and then I'm stirring it to make sure it goes around. I like to bring it up in the middle because the gas I put it is quite small, so that the heat can get on all of them. And then I'll cover it. I'll cover it. Guys, these are the color that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using
this and this.
Red coloring, rosa, e questo giallo,
and green.
e verde. So we're gonna be making green, flavored caramel popcorn, and our popcorn is beginning to pop. And in this part of the pan, I'm mixing my sugar, my water, and a pinch of salt. So guys, my sugar is almost ready, as you can see, and I added margarine. If you think it's watery, but guys, our sugar is ready, and now I'm going to share it into the bowls that I will be mixing in the color. So guys, I'm done. It's peeled in the edges, so right now I'm going to be adding my color. So guys, right now I'm just going to make this. I'm using my favorite plastic rubber and throwing. I don't need it.